Today we are going to be doing a guided reader on the Civil War and Reconstruction as it relates to Georgia studies. The first thing we are going to do is to discuss with the students how summarizing teaches students how to recognize the most important ideas in a text, how to also ignore irrelevant information, and how to integrate the central ideas in a meaningful way. We have discussed summarizing quite a bit within the classroom, and one of the things that we have in our classroom is a anchor chart. One side says retell and the other side says summary. So retelling the story is the whole story. It's long with many specific details, and it includes events in a sequence order, uses time order words. Now, a summary tells only the most important parts of the story. It's written in the reader's own words. It's short and focused. It focuses mainly on the characters, setting, plot, problem, and solution, and it includes specific names. So we have discussed that there are times when it's good to retell a story and there's good times to summarize, but today we're going to focus more on the summarizing aspect for this particular article. We are going to discuss the students' prior background knowledge. So we've done a little bit on the Civil War as it relates to Georgia, and so we are going to first discuss what exactly the students can tell us as far as the article goes. Once we get to this portion and we have discussed the prior and background knowledge, we are going to point out the vocabulary. In this particular article, we have the vocabulary words segregated, amass, cotton balls, legislator, and perspective. We're going to go through the definitions with the students. It is a co-taught classroom, and so we are going to allow the students to actually read their article on their Lexile level because it is a large range of different Lexiles. But that's the good thing about Achieve is it is adapted to differentiation. We are going to make predictions about what we think the text is going to be about and also discuss the pictures, charts, and graphs. The picture here shows Georgia politician Mike Thurmond. He is noted for his dedication to poor and working families. And this is the article. When we get to the reading portion of the lessons, students will read the article alone, but we will, after they read, we will discuss as a group one or two important ideas that they found in the article. Because that's one thing we like to work on is pointing out the important parts of the story. We're going to do a discussion at the end of class and summarize how the system of sharecropping worked and why did some people consider it an unfair system. So it's just kind of a thought question to dig deeper, to grasp more and get a little bit more out of them versus just the comprehension questions. But it's a way for us to dig deeper because we have in class discussed sharecropping. So that is what we are going to do for our reading portion this week. Thank you.